Hello and welcome everybody. In this video we'll show you some tricks to attract anyone you want. These tricks works for both guys and girls. I have tried these tricks and it worked well for me. I was a person that nobody likes me and I was even slow to attract and make new friends. But with applying these secrets, most of people around me become attracted to me. These tricks are very simple. If you integrate them in your daily routine, then you will attract anyone you want. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all our news. 1. Improve your appearance. Human beings are naturally more attracted to people who look nice. No matter what gender you are, studies show that all genders are more likely to date people they personally feel have a positive or attractive appearance. So that's why you must take care of your clothes. Choosing the right outfit can make anyone feel confident and look attractive to others. Find clothing that fits your body well and suits your preference. The hair. Whatever you want for your hair, focus on the length and the style that makes you feel attractive. Make an effort to keep your mane clean, healthy, and great smelling too. 2. Have a sense of humor. Having a sense of humor is a tremendous asset. Life is complicated and messy at times, which makes this quality all the more important. It also turned out that a sense of humor is a quality that causes attraction and adoration. In a study done at Stanford University, 22 children aged 6 to 13 were shown a series of video clips, some of which were funny and some not. Researchers connected the children to a fMRI machine to measure their brain activity. When viewing the humorous material, girls showed more positive feeling in response than the boys did. Further, the girls felt more of a sense of reward in watching them. So if you want to be attractive, have that sense of humor will makes you unique and liked by the most of the peoples. 3. Smile with your eyes. According to many psychologists, smiling has the power to instantly put others at ease. Smiling is the best way to attract people. However, psychologists noted that studies show that fake smile can be easily distinguished from genuine smile and do not have the same positive effect. They said to make a smile seem real, make sure to engage your eyes. 4. Be confident. Confidence is not only an attraction. In fact, it's also important for individual self-esteem. You can often identify confident people readily, as they often radiate positivity, courage, and self-respect. Radiating that same energy helps you attract someone of your quality. Oftentimes, confident people are the change agent of society. They believe very strongly in their ideas and their ability to get people to get behind them, often through sheer self-assurance. It takes a tremendous amount of confidence to create a following in both yourself and in other people. 5. Be open. People aren't attracted to people who are closed off and inaccessible. Be open to authentic relationship and watch the connection unfold. We are all part of a human race. When you allow others to connect with you, you instantly become more appealing. Be real, open, and willing, and watch your authentic relationship manifest themselves. You have a choice. You can express the elegance you already possess as a human being, or you can barely glimmer. You already have everything you need. Just be open. 6. Make eye contact. Eye contact shows you are both confident and engaged, while looking at the floor or scanning the room instantly indicates a lack of interest, even if that's not your intention. And if eye contact makes you uncomfortable, look at the other person's nose instead of their eyes. It creates the illusion of solid eye contact while somehow feeling less intimate. 7. Focus on the positive. Let go of all your negative thoughts, such as, it's hard to find anyone, why don't they see how good I am, and no one will ever love me. You have a lot of great qualities that make you so worthy of anyone's love and attention. Others do notice you and appreciate you. There is love all around you. Let it in. When you let it in and focus on the positive, you change your vibration and open a door for the law of attraction, for love to bring you your specific person. 8. Don't complain. If you are like the majority of people, a great deal of your thoughts and conversations involve complaining. Complaining is like a rocking chair. At first it feels comfortable and you feel like you are accomplishing something, but you don't end up getting anywhere. Do everything in your power not to complain. It's a fundamental truth that those who complain attract more situations to complain about. Instead, embrace each and every moment as a blessing. People tend to like more the person who makes them feel better and not worse. The more or less complaining you are, the more people will be attracted to you. 9. Speak with expressions. Certain facial expressions reveal your attraction to another person, whether through indirect or straightforward means. You can convey your feelings and thoughts through a variety of positive expressions. The key is to be flexible and playful. 10. Use their names. When you use someone's name in a conversation, you are making them turn towards you every time their name is mentioned. Even if they aren't listening or they are involved in another conversation, the minute you say a person's name, they will drop their current conversation and turn towards you. Studies have shown that people love the sound of their own name, so take special care to remember a person's name and use it to call them, and then soon you will figure out they are attracted to you. 11. Be engaged. Nothing makes a person feel less good about a conversation with partner than when that partner is checking their phone or scanning the room for someone else they had rather to be talking to. Try to make it your policy to act like the other person you are talking with is the most fascinating person. I promise they will leave the conversation feeling great about the way it went, and more importantly, great about you. 12. Be honest. Being honest about your thoughts and feelings is attractive. Honestly, even when it's uncomfortable, demonstrates individuality and confidence. On the other hand, dishonesty is seen as selfish, manipulative, and egocentric. Unfiltered honesty about your opinions and perspective appeals to most people. Those that disagree with and admonish you because of your opinions do not demonstrate understanding or rational thinking. They are being harshly judgmental and showing people they are ignorant in the process. 13. Be open-minded. As a human being continue to evolve, our society does as well. We are witnessing the challenge on conventional thinking on various issues: marijuana use, armed conflicts, global warming, etc. Regardless of where you stand on an issue, the ability to remain open-minded is an essential quality to have. The ability to change conventional thinking, expand your consciousness, and pursue knowledge is invaluable. It also demonstrates intelligence and fluid thinking. 14. Practice humility. What a wonderful breath of fresh air to be around someone who is successful and intelligent, yet humble and unassuming. In many places in the world, we idolize people who are boastful and brash if they are achieved any success. Humility is an attractive quality because it's becoming increasingly rare. There will always be the crowd that idolizes the brash and domineering qualities of successful people. However, many do reserve true admiration and respect for those who quietly and unpretentiously make the world a better place. 15. Choose to be happy. If you are happy, others sense it and feel at ease in your presence. One way to actively choose happiness is to develop awareness for your internal critic, that voice in your head that comments and judges. Giving yourself over to your internal critic is like jumping off a cliff into nothingness. This is where your internal critic will take you if you let it. It's your responsibility to recognize when your critic turns on you and to tell it no. Distract yourself with exercise, reading, work, helping others, or creative endeavors. Remember yourself that happiness is a choice, and if you choose it, then you will become happy with your life, and when people remark that, they will be for sure attracted to you. 16. Love yourself. Be honest with yourself first. If you are pretending to be someone else, then people will not like you. Force yourself to think about what you like about yourself and think always that nobody is perfect and we all make mistakes. But when you focus on your positives, you will begin to appreciate yourself more. Loving yourself and create positivity will bring a desire to be your best, to eat right, to exercise, and to look good. As you begin to be at ease with your true self, you will become more accepting of your flaws. You will be like a child who loves herself unconditionally. Only then you will be able to love others the same way, and in return you will attract people into your life. Remind yourself that what you give out is what you will receive. Begin with love yourself and love those around you, then people will love you. 17. Feel attractive. How can you expect to be attractive if you don't feel like you are? Each of us overflows with natural beauty. When you feel attractive, you release attractiveness. Now there is a fine line between confidence and cockiness. Always avoid the latter. When you sincerely believe you are an attractive individual, those around you will think the same. Resume of our video. 1. Improve your appearance. 2. Have a sense of humor. 3. Smile with your eyes. 4. Be confident. 5. Be open. 6. Make eye contact. 7. Focus on the positive. 8. Don't complain. 9. Speak with expressions. 10. Use their names. 11. Be engaged. 12. Be honest. 13. Be open-minded. 14. Practice humility. 15. Choose to be happy. 16. Love yourself. 17. Feel attractive.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive
all our news. If you learned something new today, then give the video a like and tell us in comments which step you like it more. And here's some others great videos I think you will enjoy. Just click on the left or on the right. Mass Pro. Better mind, better life.